Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing this item that I got in Amazon. This is the PurSteam. So basically, it's like a steam cleaner. And the reason why I bought it is because I don't know, I'm like just getting obsessed of reorganizing and cleaning the apartment lately. So I bought this, clean those areas that are very hard to clean, like grouts, boards in the kitchen, because there's like some oil stains in it, and sometimes it's so hard to actually take it out of there. So hopefully this product is gonna help us clean it. Alright, so before we start cleaning, let me just show you guys how I unbox this item. So as you can see, this came from Amazon. Link is in the bio. Yeah, the one that I got is brand new. As you can see, it is sealed. So it's a nice touch that they actually sealed it. So it gives us like peace of mind or whatever. So the main concern that I have when the item got delivered is that there was a hole in a box, and that was made by the nozzle of the product. So I was like kind of scared that the item might be broken. So fortunately, it's not. So this product actually comes with 9 accessory sets. So the first one that I'm going to show you is going to be the funnel. So the funnel is the one that you're going to use if you need to put water on your PurSteam. And then it also comes with an angled nozzle, 2 brushes, a measuring cup, this hose that you're going to use if you need to reach areas that you cannot reach with just the PurSteam itself. And then it also comes with a squeegee and that thing that you use for like for fabrics. Just a heads up, I didn't use that in this video. I may be using that in the future. So yeah, that is all the items or the accessories that is included in the PurSteam once you purchase it. I actually tried redeeming the free gifts, but every time that I go to the website, it's broken. So I need to send them an email, so hopefully they get back to me soon. So welcome to the kitchen, and basically this is where I'm gonna be using the product most of the time. There are stuff here on the wall that's like so sticky. Sometimes I need to use a knife or a scraper just to take it out. I'm gonna use this brush tool. Hopefully this will work. And this one too, the nozzle. Oh, and maybe this one too. So let's go. We are of course gonna follow the instructions of how to use this. Don't plug it without water. I'm gonna use like distilled water. But I don't have any, so I'm just gonna use filtered water at the moment. The cool thing about this steamer too is that it has a lock switch, so that you don't accidentally burn yourself. And then this is gonna be the trigger, so that the steam will come on. It has like a turn on switch here, which I really like, because most of the steamer that I found out there when I was shopping, it doesn't have like a turn on turn off feature. So it's a good thing that this one has a turn on and a turn off feature. Try and use it. Let's go. So let's start with the microwave. See how dirty that is. Alright, so we're gonna be using this so that I can reach some angles like this, because you cannot actually tilt it like that, or else it can hurt you, I guess. It looks like that. Oh my god, that's amazing. Seriously. It's white. Also splatters here, so these are really hard to fix. Like even if I use this towel, I cannot really take it off that easily. So we're gonna try and use the steamer here. It's not coming off. I think it's taking the paint off. Oh no. What is that? Okay, so let's try it on the stove. This is really nasty. I think you actually need to like use chemicals though to remove some of these stains, because steam alone and brushing it is not gonna work. Now I'm gonna try and use it in the grout. I think this grout is actually white, but as you can see, it's already black. So I'm just gonna use a toothbrush and also the streamer.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, I don't know if this is working at all or the grout in this bathroom is black. Alright, so that sums up my review for the PurSteam steamer. So to answer the question, is it a necessary purchase? For me, it's a yes. So the reason why I think this is a necessary purchase for me is because I was able to clean areas that I was not able to clean before with just a regular brush and some cleaner or chemical cleaners. As you can see, the microwave was super duper clean. Parts of the oven were so clean. The toilet, like underneath the toilet, I was able to at least clean it a little bit. I think maintenance is always the answer to a healthy, clean home. I also like the fact that this also sanitizes everything because it blows steam. So it's basically it's like a leaf blower but also blows steam and hot water. So I think that's a bonus, especially now that Omicron is out there. So I think we need to make sure that we sanitize everything and clean everything up. One of the cons that I have for this product is that the brush actually, like after using it for like just a couple of minutes, it starts to get damaged. So it's a good thing that they're actually giving away 2 brushes if I can get in contact with them. Also, this is bulky. So this is like 3 pounds. And then with full water in it, it's gonna weigh like around 3.5 pounds or something like that. It's not that heavy, but still, it can tire your arm because it maybe I'm not strong enough. So whenever my hands, both of my hands are open or available, I'm using it like this so that it won't tire me so easily. I do think that it is a good product, but there's one thing that I do recommend that they maybe add on these types of products is that like maybe they can add like a water gauge. Help! Like where you can see the water level inside so that you know if you need to refill it or if you need to stop using it or whatnot. Because the only time that you might think that you need to refill it with water is that when the pressure is not coming out anymore. So I think a water gauge is what I recommend to improve this device. So once again, this is Jackie, and I hope this video helps you decide whether you need a steamer or a steam cleaner or not. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!